Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a special unboxing video of the newest smartphone release from POCO, the POCO C65. This phone is recently launched by POCO and is expecting to target the affordable smartphone segment. So without wasting any time, let's do some quick unboxing to see what's inside in it. So as you can see, the box is as usual with the POCO signature yellow accent. The unboxing experience of this smartphone reminds me of the same experience that I went through when I unboxed POCO F1, my first smartphone from POCO. So inside this box, the first thing we get to see is the smartphone itself covered in this plastic wrapper. After that, you'll get to see a small packaging, and inside in it, you'll see the manuals as usual and also a SIM ejector tool. So moving on, you'll get to see the 10 watts charging brick along with USB to C cable. Although the smartphone supports 18 watts charging capacity, this brick that we got in the box is only capped to 10 watts. So that's all the items that we have. And coming back to the smartphone, this smartphone that I got is a high-end model covered with deep blue accent. It's a powerful smartphone with 8GB plus 256GB ROM capacity. So that's it for now, and stay tuned to see my whole review experience covering every aspect about this smartphone. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting reviews like these. And a big shout out to POCO community for sponsoring this video.